Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a DIY video. We just put up our Christmas tree about 2 weeks ago, and I was in search of a Christmas tree skirt. So there were so many high-priced ones. I really wanted the faux fur with like a buffalo check print. So for this project, what you're going to be needing is that glue sticks and my glue gun will work perfect for this project, and you will see why in a minute. You're going to need fabric scissors, a Christmas tree skirt, and some faux fur. I actually purchased this Christmas tree skirt at Target in the dollar spot. It's a little smaller than So on one side it has Believe on it, and it's like a canvas feel material, and on the other side it's like a super soft buffalo check print. And what I'm gonna do, I picked up this at my local Hobby Lobby. All of their furs and like thick material in the crafting sewing section is 30% off. It's always like that. So I think this was a total of, I only got half of a yard because I figured it would be enough. We'll see. It should be fine. I'm not really worried about it. If I don't have enough, oh well. So I picked it being just like $7, and this was like $4, I think it was. So a little over $10 for a cute Christmas skirt. So the reason why I want to use the glue sticks is because depending on if you want to switch out the fur, you can put the fur on both sides. But for me, I didn't get a lot, and I figured next year if I want it, because I'm actually going to use this side just because I like how bold the color is, and I'm just into this, the red and black buffalo check print right now. So first what I'm going to do is put this skirt on this side. So what I'm going to do is put the fur around here. And I think would be easiest if I maybe flip it like so, and do the same thing with this. So I might end up starting on this side and then just kind of like glue it. That's all you do. And yes, you will have fur everywhere. I had it all in my car after I purchased it, after she had cut it for me. Camila was not a fan of it. She thought it was some type of animal. So she freaked out when her big sister put it on her. Okay. So first I'm just going to cut 2 pieces, and then I'm going to go from there and see if I need to cut any more. Because this would be a cute like little pillow or something like that. Because I'm actually, oh, look at all this, how sad. Because I'm actually going to set up and do our own Christmas photos in my living room. And if you want to see a video, let me know. Like I said, I love DIYs, and I love, you know, just doing different projects. And okay, yeah, so I think 2 might be good. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put this piece down, And then I'm going to go ahead and put a line of, you know what? Let me see. How am I going to do this? Should I do it this way? Because I kind of want the black to show on there. Do I want the black to show? No, I don't. Okay. I just made my own mind. Ah, there's fur everywhere. Okay. So you're just going to get your glue gun. Make sure you have your glue sticks in hand. And what I'm going to do is flip it towards the side where you want the fur, and you're just going to go ahead and, let me straighten this out because you got to work quick with this glue. And you're just going to put a good thick layer of glue on there. And then I'm just going to slowly put it on this piece here. And you can, like, you know, work with it, curve it, make it go the way, like the shape of the tree skirt, since it is circular, and just kind of like smooth it out. And then you're going to go on with more. Just scoot that over, and you're going to push that down some. Let's go ahead and fold this. Oh, I'm going to start sneezing in a minute. Okay, so just going to cut another piece. Move this to the side. And then, oof, I'm trying not to shake it everywhere. And just keep going with the glue. This last piece right here. Put that to the side. And then let's turn it around and see. Look at that. I love it. And I know a lot of this hair, this top hair is going to come off, which makes me kind of sad but it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and then I will show you the final product.